Hello, hello, how are you? I am back again. Mary is having a nap, so I am going to do a quick Glossybox unboxing. I was actually about to open this, not on camera, and then I started to peek inside and I was like, damn, it's really, really good. Okay, I'm gonna throw on some makeup and then unbox it. So here I am, and I probably have about 10 minutes before Mary wakes up, so I have to do this pretty quick. And also, if I suddenly go, ooh, that's me trying to figure out if Mary's woken up. Anyway, here is the box. It's very cute. It is the July box, and the theme, of course, is dive in. So we will. Okay, right, I'm going to start off with a bang. I'm going to start off with something really good that I opened this up and I was like, damn, I'm excited. So this is the first item, and it is a Bondi Sands lip balm. I'm really excited about this because it's an SPF of 50 and there is nothing worse than getting sore burnt lips. And apparently it smells of tropical mango. So I'm gonna squeeze a bit out. It's really stiff. Oh, there we go. It's coming out now. So this is tropical mango. Oh my God, that smells so good. I'm gonna just put it on over my lipstick. My God, that smells so good. It tastes quite good too, you know, when you get a little bit in your mouth and you're like, ooh, that's nice. Anyway, this is a really nice lip balm. I'm super excited. I love the fact that Bondi Sands are doing lip balms now. I love the fact that it's an SPF 50. I feel like that's just such a good, handy thing to have for the summer months. So I'm super excited by this one. Sorry, I've got some lipstick on my finger. That's kind of gross. But that is the first item and I am so happy. This is probably worth the price of the box alone. So that is the first thing. And then next I'm gonna go for this. This is by Revolution and it is the Super Highlight Highlighter. Now I have heard incredible things about the Revolution highlighters, but I think I'm the only person in the world who has never tried them. So I'm pretty pumped up for this one because Mary keeps digging into my highlighters and I have got less of them than I used to have. Also, this is a really nice, quite icy highlighter. I feel like a lot of the highlighters I've been getting recently are quite bronzy highlighters and I'm quite pale and I need something quite icy. So yeah, I don't know if that's doing anything or picking up, but I'm quite excited to kind of give this a go. It's kind of a pinkish undertone and it's got kind of like quite like intense kind of highlightery-ness going on. But yeah, it's kind of a pinky gold, which I really like because actually I should put some on my other cheek just so I'm not completely lopsided. But yeah, I'm excited for this one. I feel like I needed a new highlighter and I love the fact that it's quite an icy, pinky toned one because I'm a pale girl. I'm pale. Anyway, that is the next item. And then the next two items I'm going to run through quite quick because then we've got another two items which are really, really good. So this is a face scrub. It's by Huggins, who I swear I've heard of before. I feel like it might have been in an advent calendar once upon a time, but I can't remember anything about it. So this is a 12ml pot and yeah, I'll give it a go at some point, you know, it's good to try. So that is the next item. And then we have a body mist, which I just gave a mist and it's actually really pretty. It's like a fragrance body mist and it's meant to smell of tropical flowers, but it's got kind of a vanilla coconut powderiness to it, but it's also quite floral. It's quite subtle. It's actually really, really pretty. I really like it. It is quite tropical floral, a touch coconutty, a touch sunscreeny in a good way, and it just smells like sand and sun, but it's really pretty and it's quite subtle, which I like because sometimes coconutty floral tropical perfumes can be really like intense and too much, and this is actually really like soft and powdery and I don't know, just really, really nice. It's Byakura. I don't know anything about this brand, but I like it. So that is the next thing. And then finally, I would say this and the lip balm are the two things that I'm most excited about. We have got some Paradox hair care, and not just the shampoo, but we've got the conditioner too. So this is basically like 2 for the price of 1 item, because this month we actually have 6 items, not 5, which I'm really into. I really like Paradox hair care. This is 30 mils per one, so 30 mils of shampoo, 30 mils of conditioner. I think that's really good. If they had just done these 2 items and another 3, I would have been like, that's a really good box. So the fact that they've given us 6 items rather than 5, I'm into. So yeah, I love Paradox hair care. Really excited about this. Perfect if you're traveling, and it's just lovely, lovely hair care. And the fact that they've given us the shampoo and conditioner, and then you've got 4 other items on top, I think it's incredible. It's a very good holiday edit box this month. I love the highlighter. Perfect if you just want that kind of lovely glow, and you could probably powder some onto your neck and chest area as well. This is a really lovely body mist, very pretty. Yeah, it's always good to have a bit of a scrub, especially if you've been in the sun, because let's be honest, we get a little flaky. And of course, I love, love, love the fact that we've got this new lip balm. I actually needed a new lip balm, so I'm really excited about this. But yeah, I think it's a really good box. You know, when you're like, Revolution, not going to complain about that. Bondi Sands, great. Paradox hair care, what a treat. Plus another 2 items on top of that. So I think it's a great box this month. Anyway, that is my video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Goodbye.